new feature in Custom Tools 2023 is the option to index selected folders. So if you are running a search, you will no longer see documents that are stored to a local user's desktop, for instance. In the Custom Tools profile options, under the database options, we now have the indexed folders, from where you can add indexed folders or have excluded folders to index. Simply adding a folder, you can include or exclude the files found in that folder. To add a new indexed folder, simply press the Browse button and find the folder you want and select Folder. You can even include subfolders. After a little bit of database cleaning, you can now run the search, and all the files that you will find are the ones that you expect. Thank you for using Custom Tools.
We are in the life-saving business. We kill your routines before they kill you.